नमस्कार.
Welcome to Amrut Dhara series wellness videos in which we bring few of the Amrut Kand for improving our health and enjoying every precious moment of our life.
The migraine. How do we get freedom from this particular ailment? Many people have asked this as a query that please come out with video which will cover how to get relief from the migraine.
And migraine is the issue. There is no age limit. Even children are facing this problem. Elders, working, old people, everyone is facing this issue which can be controlled.
Migraine happens because of many reasons. It could be because of acidity, that is out of the Vata, Pitta, Kapha. These three doshas, if they are not converted into three gunas, one of them increases. If Pitta increases, then it is Pitta related migraine. If Vata related, it is Vata related migraine. If the Kapha, which gets filled up in the nasal sacs, that is increased, that also can create migraine for you. And hence, how do we convert these three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta, Kapha, into three guna? That is very essential. And yoga, pranayam and acupressure technique, all these things, they help in bringing this under control as a balanced condition and helps us in removing migraine of any sort.
So for controlling migraine, there are simple techniques of pranayama. First one, we are looking at 1:2 breathing technique. What is that 1:2 is? Till the count, like we are inhaling till 10 counts, but exhaling double the count of inhale. And what is that count? Are those cycles? No, it is length of your breathe in and breathe out. So how to go about it? Let us see. So put the hands in Apana Vayu Mudra. And middle two fingers, they are pressed with the tip of your thumb. Little finger is straight and tight. This is Vayu Mudra. This is Apana Mudra, which is good for balancing air element Vayu. So these are two mudras which controls Vayu in our body, Vayu plus Apana Vayu. But the hand should be kept on the thighs so that your back will remain straight, and breathe in through the nose with closed eyes and breathe out through mouth, double the length of your breathing.
I am breathing, say 8 counts. When I start the breath, I start the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for example. I am full. Now I start exhaling through the mouth, double the count, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 16. This is 1:2 pranayam. Ultimately you have to experience it. Yoga is all about experiential science.
Initially maybe the count will be less, it will 5 to 10 or 8 16, but every day try one count in those cycles and build up the strength of your lungs, build up the control of your breath. That brings peace in the mind and removes more and more carbon dioxide, which generate blockages and generate pains. Another pranayam we can do on our own, that is self-treatment.
For migraine, we are
yes.
talking about for migraine specifically.
Yes. So both the hands, open fingers, keep your hands on the head. We are experiencing those vibrations, how we are giving to the brain, to the head, to those channels through which energy is flowing. So in this process, breathing completely with breathe out, do humming sound. Like this, we can do 10 to 15 times or 10 to 15 cycles for generating vibrations and doing that cleansing of those channels for cleaning unwanted gases or acids if they are stuck there.
We have done this in sitting posture on ground. This can be done even while sitting on a chair.
Only thing we have to keep our
Back straight and your neck stem is aligned with the vertebra so that there is a clear communication and there is no embargo, there is no restriction that you have to sit it on ground itself. Keep that in mind.
These pressure points we are looking at for the migraine pain through which we can control or remove the pain.
We are looking at the left thumb and this left thumb has got antenna point. Now where is that antenna? It is here on the tip where you can see it on the video. It is on the tip and this particular tip one and second point is on the inside of the nail chakra. So at the bottom of the nail chakra and at the tip of the left thumb. How do I press it? We had seen it in other videos as well. Use the thumb, give the pressure and the rotation. You are pressing the left thumb tip with the other thumb with pressure and rotation and giving a complementary rotation on the other point which we have marked at the nail chakra. Use the thumb, give the rotation, and what we have done to the left, it has to be done to the right also, and on the points on the feet, that is big toe, the tip which I am showing, and at the root of the nail on the other side.
That way we see it, our health in our own hand, and this we can do on our own. We can give this pressure and stimulate those channels. One more breathing technique to control our migraine pain if it is related to acidity, and that is Shitakari Pranayama, in which we have to breathe in through the mouth. Otherwise, other pranayam we do breathe in through nose only because there are filters in our nasal cavity. But here, for improving or reducing the acidity, reducing that extra energy in stomach region, we are doing this or learning this breathing technique which is called Shitakari Pranayama. And for that, we are doing Chinmayi Mudra, which is good for our Nabhi chakra or stomach region. Our index finger and thumb, they are pressed together. Other three fingers, they are touching to our solar plexus point, center of our palm, giving pressure on them. Put the hands on your thighs, sitting straight. Open up your lips, teeth on one another. Breathe in through the mouth. Hold the breath for a few seconds, whatever time you are comfortable. And then breathe out through the nose, slow, long and deep, without sound. It cools down extra heat in the body. It is one of the best for acidity. It is excellent for even migraine pain.
This pranayam can also be done while sitting on chair. You don't have to sit on ground. Only thing, your stomach should be empty and you should be able to sit comfortably for a little longer duration, and you have to repeat it at least 5 to 11 times.
Yes. Then Shavasana is best for migraine pain. To lie down in Shavasana, you can experience our guided Shavasana on our YouTube channel.
There are many videos of Shavasana and you can pick up any one to experience this deep relaxation. In addition to this, all this technique of yoga, pranayam and acupressure, remember that you have to drink enough water. For removing migraine completely in the system, drinking water in correct proportion is required. Now in this, we will not say you have to drink 2 liters or 3 liters. The yardstick is you should be able to urinate at least 5 to 7 times in a day, and every time your urine should be absolutely clear in the color and it should not have any odor. When you are able to do that, it means that you are drinking sufficient water.
Omkar. The beauty of Omkar, when we recite a sound, any irregularities in stomach region get cured. So if we are having any issue with stomach, we should recite Akar longer in Omkar. When we recite Ukar, that sound, those vibrations heal chest related any irregularities or any issues. So if we are having any breathing related, chest related problems, we should recite Ukar longest. And Makar is best from the head till the legs. Even any sort of disturbance in our head region, face region, if we are having any sinus related issues, ear related issues, our Makar should be longest. And we can recite Omkar almost 11 times. More issues, increase the cycles of Omkar. Recite Omkar more times and take the benefit of these simple breathing techniques.
In very videos, we have already mentioned about recitation of Omkar, the correct technique of U and Ma. You can watch them as well.
So don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Give the thumbs up if you like, or suggestions if you want to give. See you again on next Amrit Dhara videos, in which we'll be bringing Amrit Kand for enjoying our precious life.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.